Ever finish a wet tissue pack and throw the lid straight into the trash? Wait a second. That little plastic lid can actually be reused in some really useful ways. Let's begin. First, remove the lid from the empty wet tissue pack. Peel away any stickers and wash the lid well so it's clean and ready to use again. Idea 1. Safety cover for power outlets. Simply place the lid over an unused electrical outlet. It helps protect children from touching the socket and can also reduce water splashes in places like kitchens or bathrooms.
Idea 2. Phone storage pocket and stand. Stick the lid onto the back of your phone case with glue or strong tape. You can use it as a hidden pocket for folded cash, notes, or small papers. It can also work as a simpy phone stand when watching videos.
Idea 3. Mini kitchen storage box. First, take a clean plastic container and place the flip-top lid in the center. Using a marker, trace the inner oval shape onto the surface. This will guide you when cutting the opening. Next, carefully use a craft knife to make a small starting cut. Then use scissors to slowly cut along the traced line until the oval piece is removed. Take your time so the edges stay smooth and neat. Now, flip the lid over and attach strong adhesive tape or double-sided tabs underneath. Carefully place the lid over the opening and press it down firmly. Make sure it sticks securely so the lid can open and close easily. And that's it! You now have a handy organizer for plastic bags, food covers, snacks, or other small items that usually clutter your drawers. Easy to make, practical to use, and a smart way to recycle something old into something useful. Idea 4. Portable mini container. Glue 2 lids together facing outward. This creates a tiny portable container that's perfect for pills, toothpicks, coins, or other small items when you're outside. Idea 5. Trash bag holder. Glue the lid onto the side of a trash bin. Hook the trash bag handles onto it to stop the bag from slipping into the bin, even when it gets heavy. Those are 5 smart and simple ways to reuse wet tissue lids instead of throwing them away. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Home DIY Tips, and my Facebook page, Home DIY Tips, and share this video with friends who love simple DIY ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.